loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today I have another wonderful vintage reproduction collaboration for you guys. As many of you may know, I have been trying to shop more ethically recently and promote things on my social platforms that really align with my personal ethics. So for me, that means working with brands that are small businesses, that are local, that support women, that are creative in some way, and that are ethical in their practices in terms of how they treat their staff and where they source their products from. Of course, not every brand is going to fit all of those categories, but I try to make sure that when I look into a brand, I feel comfortable with what they represent and I feel comfortable with what I'm going to talk to you guys about. Today, I have a really exciting collaboration to share with you guys that is very close to my heart. One, because I know the person behind the brand, who is absolutely gorgeous, and two, because the whole concept of this project is really cool and really different, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. If you guys don't know, there is a wonderful store here in London called Revival Retro. It's down in Fitzrovia, and they stock everything vintage reproduction. You can get hats, dresses, skirts, shirts, stockings, accessories, shoes, everything from there. And they do stock a lot of the brands that you already know and love, so like House of Foxy, Emmy Designs Sweden, Palaver Folk. You can get them all in the store. And one of the really great things is that obviously you can try the pieces on. So if you've ever wondered if anything from those companies is gonna like suit you, or if a particular piece is gonna look good, you can literally go and try it on in the store, make sure it's perfect, and then purchase it there and support both the original brand and support the physical Revival Retro store. What I'm here to talk to you about today, guys, is a new project that has been put together by the lovely Rowena Howie, who is the heart and soul behind Revival Retro. This is a personal project because she has designed her own line of clothing, which she's done before, but this one is slightly different because she's done it in collaboration with an amazing artist. So rather than just talk face to face with you guys, I'm actually going to show you some footage of when I went over to the Revival Retro store and chatted with Rowena herself. Today I have an exciting collaboration with the lovely Rowena from Revival Retro. If you don't know Rowena and the Revival Retro store, it is a mainstay in London for anything you need vintage style. It's also a great place for people who are like dabbling in vintage, or maybe just want to pick up one or two really lovely pieces and just try it out. It's a really good space for that. It has a real mix of stuff. And Rowena has a very exciting project that she's just launched that we're going to share with you today. Do you want to tell us a little bit about it, Rowena?
Yeah, I was really pleased to discover the artworks of Becky Bettesworth on her trip to the South Coast a few years ago. I was wandering around a little gift shop in a little town on the South Coast and just something caught my eye. And it was this sort of vintage style travel poster, but of the town that I was in. And I really love those kind of 1930s travel posters. It really captures my imagination. It's got that kind of nostalgic kind of twist that I love. Yeah. And just the way that Becky manipulates that style to suit her modern day artworks, the fresh and vibrant colours that she introduces, and those little connections to those places in and around Britain and the Southwest. I really, really love that. So I started following her on Instagram. She kept coming up in my feed and I kept being reminded of this. One day, it was actually during the Christmas holidays, I was sitting on the sofa, a bit full of the old nut roast. It was like that ding, it was that light bulb moment. I was like, that would just make the most beautiful summer skirt. Just light and swishy and summery, and my imagination was captured and I wanted to bring this to life.
Yeah, and then
the hardest choice I had to make was which of Becky's prints was I going to translate into these fabulous skirts, because Becky has hundreds of different prints of the Southwest that she does these vintage style travel posters of. There's 3 to choose from, and the first one I'm going to show you is my favourite. It's the Anglesey print, and I love it because of the lighthouse. Excuse my Welsh, I'm going to try. But it's a beautiful little lighthouse that you can visit in North Wales. I think the most popular skirt is going to be the Bristol one because it features the Bristol Balloon Fiesta. So this lovely lemon yellow background, and you've got the Clifton Suspension Bridge and the Bristol skyline, and then all these balloons in the air that just float up the skirt. The third and final print is the English Riviera, and this is Becky's hometown of Torquay down in the southwest. Love the palm trees and the sailboats. It's just perfect against the pink.
Rowena, I'm really, really keen to try the outfits on, and I know you have little matching tops to go with it as well,
yes.
So I'd love to show that to you guys.
That'd be great.
So we're going to pop the outfits on and give you a little demo.
Ta-da!
to Rowena for having me and for letting me play dress ups in your store.
Yeah.
Once again, I do love to come and visit play dress ups in the Revival Retro store. You guys will as well, so make sure you come and check out what they've got in stock and grab some of the new items.
In store now and online now, yeah, so go grab them.
Perfect, hope you love them, guys. Something that I really love about this project is the fact that it is two women coming together. Obviously we have Becky Bettesworth on the one hand doing these amazing beautiful art prints, and then we've got Rowena designing something different and unique and promoting another artist at the same time. I think that's really cool, and I really wanted to get in on that when Rowena asked me if I would like to work with them on it and promote it on my channel. I was really excited because obviously it's about boosting other women up and talking about something creative and different, which is definitely down my alley. Rowena let me have one of the gorgeous skirts. I chose the palm print in the pink. I recently put a lot of yellow into my wardrobe for summer, but I wanted some other colors because I got really excited about yellow and now it's kind of taken over. So I thought a bit of pink and aqua and purple would be really good, and it goes with so much of the reproduction vintage and true vintage stuff that I already own. And if there's anything in the video that you guys see that you would like to purchase, it is all available from Revival Retro. So you can either shop online or at the physical store. The only things that you can't buy are my earrings, my belt, and my shoes. They are vintage. Sorry guys, but the rest of it, the knits and skirts and the blouses that you see me wearing in the video when I'm chatting with Rowena and right now are all available from the Revival Retro store. I wanted to mention too guys, the quality of the pieces. There's a couple of factors that I really like about these. They are of course beautifully made. Revival Retro is a British label, but two things that I really look for in vintage reproduction are whether or not something has pockets, dresses and skirts that have pockets. And you know what? Almost everything I've ever looked at from Revival Retro has pockets. So that's putting it very high on the checklist for me. And then secondly, these skirts are lined. So you don't have to worry about it being see-through. You don't have to buy something else to go with it. You could put a petticoat under it if you want it to have a bit more volume, but it does already have like a basic petticoat lining so that it is literally ready to wear and you don't have to worry about any unfortunate, you know, seeing your underwear through your skirt situations when you're in the sunshine. So that for me makes for some very important key points about these skirts. So that's the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I really hope that the project goes really well for Becky and for Rowena. I hope you guys like the pieces and decide to get them and support two amazing women here in London. Let us know that you like the video by giving it a like, subscribing and clicking that little notification bell so you know when my videos come out. You can always come and follow me on my Instagram at Miss B-Town, where I post a lot of my outfit pics and I also give you other tips and tricks as well as posting on my IGTV videos that you don't get here. You can also come and join the Vintage Tips and Tricks Facebook group. We are 10,000 strong now and we would be happy to have you. Don't forget to answer the questions so that when you join, we know that you're not a robot. If you don't answer the question, guys, we can't accept you into the group. We just need to make sure that we don't have anyone that's going to troll us or be nasty to anyone in there. We want it to be a great little community, so make sure you answer the questions. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.